Hey everyone, welcome again to Learn English Sentences. I hope you all are doing well. So, in today's video, I have shared with some important sentences. So, I hope you all find this video helpful and useful. So, please watch this video till the end and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Okay, so let's get going. वो मेरे मन में दबी हुई भावनाओं को कभी समझ नहीं सका. He could never understand my pent-up emotions. He could never understand my pent-up emotions. दबी हुई भावनाओं. ठीक है, दबी हुई के लिए हम क्या यूज़ करते हैं? पेंट अप. ओके, दबी हुई भावनाएं, पेंट अप इमोशंस. ओके, मेरे मन में एक दबी हुई इच्छा है कि मैं अपने माता पिता को दुनिया की सैर कराऊं. I have a pent-up desire to make my parents visit the world. I have a pent-up desire to make my parents visit the world. Okay, next one. ये पूरी लिस्ट नहीं है, कुछ और नाम अभी आने बाकी हैं. It's not the exhaustive list. Few more names are yet to be announced. It's not the exhaustive list. Few more names are yet to be announced. हमें एक दूसरे का साथ भाता नहीं है. We are not compatible to each other. We are not compatible to each other. ऐसी घटनाएं मुझे दुखी कर देती हैं. Such incidents sadden me. Such incidents sadden me. हमें खुशी है कि आज हम इतने लोगों तक पहुंच चुके हैं. We are happy to reach these many people now. We are happy to reach these many people now. घर से निकला ही था कि बारिश शुरू हो गई. No sooner had I left home than it started raining. No sooner had I left home than it started raining. तुमने कहा था मैं हमेशा तुम्हारा साथ दूंगा. You had told me to always stand by me. You had told me to always stand by me. जब आप बूढ़े हो जाते हैं तो आप कम सोते हैं. When you become old, you tend to sleep less. When you become old, you tend to sleep less. क्या अभी तक तुम उसे डॉक्टर के पास नहीं ले गए हो? Have you not taken him to a doctor yet? Have you not taken him to a doctor yet? हमारे बॉस ने कल एक मीटिंग बुलाई थी. Our boss had convened a meeting yesterday. Our boss had convened a meeting yesterday. उसे अपनी शादी की तारीख आगे बढ़ानी पड़ी. He had to postpone his marriage. He had to postpone his marriage. पैसे के पीछे मत भागो, पैसा आपके पीछे भागेगा. Don't run after money, money will run after you. Don't run after money, money will run after you. तुम्हारे लिए स्पेशल खाना बनाया जा रहा है. A special food is being prepared for you. A special food is being prepared for you. उनके साथ बुरा बर्ताव किया गया. They were treated badly. They were treated badly. इस जगह से कुछ कुर्सियां हटाई गई हैं. Few chairs have been moved from this place. Few chairs have been moved from this place. किस्मत से मुझे वहाँ भेजा गया और मैं तुमसे मिला. Fortunately, I was sent there and I met you. Fortunately, I was sent there and I met you. क्या तुम्हें बताया गया है कि हम कहाँ हैं? Have you been told where we are? Have you been told where we are? हमें ऐसा कुछ नहीं दिया गया है. We have not been given anything as such. We have not been given anything as such. राम यहीं से बाल कटवाता है. Ram gets the haircut from here itself. Ram gets the haircut from here itself. अमन के अलावा मेरे पास राहुल भी तो है. Besides Aman, I have Rahul as well. Besides Raman, I have Rahul as well. इसे छोड़कर मुझे कुछ भी दे दो. Give me anything except it. Give me anything except it. मैं दिसंबर तक वहाँ था. I was there till December. I was there till December. मैंने पढ़ाई के दौरान नौकरी की. I worked during studies. I worked during studies.